President and Council. I was an employee of Conn-Selmer.
Would you please state your name and
Deneen,
where you're from?
Deneen Stout, Elkhart. I've lived here in Elkhart since 7th grade, 1971. I just wanted to give you a little back feed of what happened before the strike. We went out April 1st of 2006. Messina, the owner of Conn-Selmer, dumped his stock on March 31st of 2006. He had co-owners also that dumped their stock, Stoner and Henson. There was a raise, a $20,000 raise for Stoner, a $30,000 raise for Messina. Messina is the general owner. I would like for you to ask Obama's team to please look into this mess, because it's left 230 people out of their jobs, okay? And they pulled in people, and I was a particular person that received a letter from the company stating that I would be on recall. I ran a CNC machine on nights. They have filled that position 4 times, okay? I should have been brought back into the building. I should have been recalled. It never happened. There's been so much fraud through all this that it really needs your attention and President Obama's attention, because I really don't think he'd like it. But thank you. Thank you for listening.